Hey friends, let's do Sweet 16 Guitar Lesson by Billy Idol. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easier to follow along. So let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So intro is just the A minor chord, and the strumming pattern we'll be using through the whole song is just a down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's one bar, and we play that A minor for 2 bars there. So the strumming pattern with the first down, just hit the root note and the string underneath. Doesn't have to be precise there, but we don't want to do all the strings on the first down. So the intro, just 2 bars of A minor. Then for our chorus, it just does exactly the same thing. Stays on the A minor, except we do 3 bars, and on the 4th bar, we just do a 3 count and then stop. So let me play that for you. So there's our intro and our chorus. We're just holding the A minor chord all the way through for 5 bars, and then on the 6th one we're doing a count of 3 and a stop there. Then we have our verse. Let me play that for you, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the F chord. We're doing that for a bar, so our pattern twice there. To A minor for a bar. G for a bar. Back to A minor for a bar. To F for a bar. And then G for a 3 count and then a stop. And we have another 2 counts there after the stop before we get into the pre-chorus. And that's our verse there. Now let's do the pre-chorus. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons each week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps the channel out. So let's get back into it. So we're just starting on the F, and we're just doing half a bar there. To G, half a bar. Then we're doing this A minor add 9. So we have the open A string, 2nd fret on the D. We're going to go up to the 4th fret on the G, 1st fret on the B, and open E there, and we do that for a bar. Now that can be a bit of a stretch, that one, so if you're struggling with that chord, you can just stick with the A minor. It'll sound pretty close there. And we just do that 2 times for our pre-chorus. So F for half a bar, G for half a bar, A minor add 9 for a bar there. Then from there we go back to the chorus. We do that exactly the same, so it's just our A minor for 4 bars and a stop on the last one. Go back to the verse, our F, A minor, G, A minor, F, G, and the stop at the end. Then we have the pre-chorus. Now instead of doing it 2 times, this time we do it through 4 times. So that's our F, G, A minor, add 9 for a bar, do that 4 times. Then we go back to the chorus, we do that exactly the same, just on the A minor. And then we have the bridge. So let me play that for you. So we're just starting F, just strum once and hold for half a bar, 1, 2, and then C, strum once, hold for half a bar, and then G, hold for a full bar, 2, 3, 4. Do that 3 times, and then the 4th time we do the F, hold for a bar, half a bar, C, half a bar, and then G we do for 4 bars with our strumming patterns. 2, 3, and don't stop on that one. Then we go back to the chorus, and that's the same as before, just our A minor. And then we have the next verse. We're going to have F, just hold that for a bar. A minor, hold for a bar. G, hold for a bar. Back to A minor, 1 bar. F for a bar. And then G for 2.5 bars. So it's the same chords as our verse, we're just holding them that time. Then from there we go back to our pre-chorus again 4 times, and that's exactly the same as the pre-chorus we just did. And then we just keep playing A minor till the end. And that's all the part C. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Sweet 16 Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.